Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough on how you can use Tripo AI for both trip planning and basic 3D apps, and point out where it shines and where it might need your help. So you can start by going to tripo.ai and creating an account, and once you're in, you will just choose between the trip planner or the 3D tool depending on your goal. For travel planning, you will have to enter your destination, how many days you will be there, and the kind of trip solo, family, adventure, and so on. Tripo will instantly generate a day-by-day itinerary with recommendations on places to visit, restaurants to try, and even travel tips. You can drag activities around or delete them. Then you will save your final plan. Over in 3D section, you can upload multiple reference images, and Tripo will create a simple 3D model which works best for clean and uncomplicated objects. And for more detailed designs like intricate figurines or jewelry, you might still need to polish things manually. So think of it more as a starting point. Overall, it's a very fast and user-friendly tool for basic planning and prototyping. And yeah, that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.